We are pleased to show you the 2016 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.